This video shows you how to make the delicious okra, spinach and dill stew, perfect for lunch or dinner. Details of the ingredients are listed in the description box. First, we sliced and diced the onions. Since we will hand blend them later, we don't have to worry about chopping them up into really small pieces. Place the onions in the pan with the beef to make the stock. You can also use veggie stock if you don't want any meat. Add a couple of bay leaves and enough water to cover the ingredients. We also added some seasoning, cinnamon, cardamom pods, salt and black pepper. Keep this on a low heat because it will be cooking for a couple of hours. Next, we chopped up the okra into small pieces. This will also be hand blended later, so don't worry too much about the size of the pieces. Put the okra into a pan and add water so it's about 1 centimeter below level. We can add more water later if necessary, but if we add too much it will make it really runny. Add salt and bicarbonate of soda. This will help it keep the nice bright green colour. Let it boil until it's cooked and place it to the side. Now chop up the rest of the greens, the coriander, the dill and the spinach. We checked on the beef stock after about 45 minutes. You'll see a white foam that has formed on top, and we've removed this because it tastes better without it. We also added some more salt. After a couple hours or so, depending on the level of heat that was applied, the stock will be ready. You'll be able to tell if you can see that the beef is cooked. Remove the pieces of meat so that we can add the rest of the greens. We mixed in the chopped coriander, the dill, spinach, some more bicarbonate of soda, all the seasoning, the veggie stock powder, dried coriander, curry powder, the okra stew, grounded garlic which was crushed with black pepper and salt, and then we hand blended everything together. Finally, we added the pieces of meat that we removed earlier, and then it's ready. This can be eaten with rice and or bread. In Sudan, it's traditionally eaten with kisra. Kisra is a simple, thin bread made of jawar or sorghum flour, rice flour and all-purpose flour mixed with water. If you like this video, I can make another video to show in detail how to make kisra. And now it's ready to eat. We hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching!